Number 6. Get the flavor of. It means to start to understand or experience the essence or feel of something.
Traveling helps you get the flavor of local cultures. Traveling helps you get the flavor of local cultures. You get the flavor of the novel in the first chapter. You get the flavor of the novel in the first chapter. I quickly got the flavor of the new job. I quickly got the flavor of the new job.
Number 7. Get a grade. It means to receive a particular level of mark or evaluation in academic work.
He was happy to get a good grade. He was happy to get a good grade. You need to study hard to get better grades. You need to study hard to get better grades. She got the highest grade in her class. She got the highest grade in her class.
Number 8. Get impatient. It means to become annoyed because something is taking too long.
She gets impatient waiting for slow websites. She gets impatient waiting for slow websites. He gets impatient when flights are delayed. He gets impatient when flights are delayed. Drivers often get impatient in traffic. Drivers often get impatient in traffic.
Number 9. Get the impression. It means to begin to think or feel something based on observed actions or words.
I got the impression she was unhappy. I got the impression she was unhappy. He got the impression that the meeting was urgent. He got the impression that the meeting was urgent. You might get the impression that he's unfriendly. You might get the impression that he's unfriendly.
Number 10. Get involved. It means to participate actively in something.
She likes to get involved in community service. She likes to get involved in community service. It's good to get involved in school activities. It's good to get involved in school activities. They got involved in the project early on. They got involved in the project early on.